Welcome to Casanova Fam, and we are here again with another unboxing. So on April 13th, I bought a Mel science kit, okay? And I bought it because, as you guys know, COVID-19 has struck, and so we are all at home, and I've been doing homeschooling. I definitely am going to take you guys along the ride for that. But I bought Mel Science on April 13th. I paid $44.90 Canadian, and I finally got it today. Well, it came technically on Friday, but then the post office box was like, we can't find it. And then they called me on Monday saying that they finally got it, and then I went and picked it up today. So Friday would have been what day? I think that Friday was the 8th of May. So it took from April 13th to the 8th of May for me to get it. Then when I went to go pick it up, they didn't even tell me that there was a COD on it. When I got there, they're like, oh, there's a COD of $22.45. So all in total, I spent like $67. So I'm not really too happy I'm not really too happy about it. We'll see if it's worth it or not. If it ends up not being worth it, I may cancel after this month, but we'll see. So this is the box. This is the box.
That's the box.
Sorry.
This is the box too.
Okay, hold on.
This is the box. I'm opening it.
So when you open this box now, you get a letter. So here we go. Dear subscriber, thank you very much for choosing Mel Chemistry. In these unprecedented times, we are doing everything we can to provide you with the best service possible. In light of the unusual circumstances, we've unfortunately encountered a temporary shortage of starter kits in English. We made the decision to send you your lab equipment in a box in another language to decrease your wait time. Okay, so now we have a box in a different language. Please be assured that all the equipment is language independent and you'll be able to use it without any difficulties. You can get the English version of the instruction booklet here, which is mel.sc/sev. Of course, all of your experiment sets will be in English. We apologize for any inconvenience that this may cause and wish you happy experimenting. Please take care and feel free to contact our customer service support with any questions. Okay, so great. So first we get this, which is, hold on guys, can I do one thing at a time? So the first thing you see in the box is your VR headset. I've never had a VR headset.
What a VR?
Can you sit down? Zanae, calm down, please. So they tell you this is the starter kit. The starter kit comes with a VR headset, right?
What's a headset?
Should I do it on backwards?
It's just
So then I don't really know what it is.
Well, it doesn't matter. I'm just sweating anyways.
So okay, if I open this,
What
okay.
is it? Sorry. I'm wearing a lip shirt.
I'm not quite sure.
What?
Guys, I'm not quite sure.
Oh, I think they're mask guys.
Hold on. Shh. Hold on. Oh, wait. I think it goes this way.
I think they mean this.
You know, I just realized something. I suck at following instructions.
No, I
Stop. So we go this way. There's supposed to be something at the top. Well, maybe this way. Okay. Oh, wait. And your phone goes in front of something. So I think it goes like so. Guys, quiet, please.
Okay.
Oh, I think this is it. Okay, so I think I got it, guys. So the side part and the side part goes together. And then this side part and this side part goes together.
I'm not sure.
And so you got like a box thing going on. And you go like this, and then you can put your phone. Let's pretend this is my phone. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, pretend this is my phone, and then it goes like that. And then I guess whatever you're trying to see that they've sent you, you can see through here, which is the goggles, and then you'll see whatever the image is.
Wait, can I try?
Okay.
Can I try?
Different. Hold on. That's different. And then I guess to lock it up, you go up here, and there's a clip right there. And then there's your package. Maybe if you want to protect that, no, it goes this way. Okay, there you go. And so, wait, stop. Listening skills. This is one thing that we're going to have to work on. Okay, so there you have it. So this is the VR set. Can you sit down, Shania? Thank you. So that's one item. Then they come with your first kit. This is our first kit, guys. We are going to try it. Not today. Today is just an unboxing. But this is our first kit, and I kind of have to read instructions before I get there. However, it says it is the zinc carbon battery. So it does say for ages 10 plus. I'm gonna do it with my kids, but I'll do it with my oldest. I don't know, he doesn't like to be on camera, so he may not come on the camera. But this is what it is. This is our first kit that we got. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare. Okay, so our first kit, and this is our starter kit. So part of the starter kit is the VR headset. Sorry guys. Okay, so inside, now remember, so the box is empty. That's all that comes in the box.
No.
Inside, remember, they did tell us that they no longer had English kits. So here you go. I can't read it. Kits de Enkino, I don't know. Anyways, Mel chemistry sets. So unfortunately, I can't read the instructions because the back is different language. So I'll have to read it some other place. But in this box, it does tell us a whole bunch of stuff, which I'm not even going to try to read because it seems like a lot. But it says that there's 2 projects that you could do in this kit. This kit is liquid wires, which is a 10-minute project, and then zinc carbon battery, which is 15 minutes.
50. That's
So I'll show you guys when we do it for the first time. And then, I don't know about going forward. No, that's not opening here. Okay, so let's open it up. Leave it. Okay. Next time I think I'll do an unboxing, I'll do it by myself. Okay, so here's what you see. And then we'll slowly go through and take stuff out. Watch out, Shania, please.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing we get in here is a booklet, which would be very helpful if it was in English. It's not, but it has can you move your hand, please? I can't see the camera. Thank you. Okay, so if it was in English, it would be very helpful, but it has very very nice, vibrant pictures. So it had, hold on. Sit. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so it has very nice, vibrant pictures. So, I don't know. We'll see what it's about after. Okay, you got a tray. We will figure this out. I don't know. They might have the names, but again, we don't have the English version, so I don't know. If I had known that, I would have been more prepared, but unfortunately, I just opened it with you guys. So, here's like a funnel pouring thingy. It has measurements, so it goes from 50 to 250 milliliters.
Oh.
Then we got a whole bunch of these plastic cups.
So science.
Yes, this is for science. That's right. Good job. See? She's learning and she's only 4. She knows about science. Okay, anyways, and then we got another funnel, which goes from 25 to 150 milliliters. So almost similar, but one's more like a glass and one's like a plastic. Shh. Okay, so we're still going through the box here. So over here we have something. Again, I'm sorry, I'm not really able to give you guys the instructions of exactly what it is because I don't know. But anyways, 2 pieces here. This is your starting kit. So when you first start, hold on. When you first start, you're going to get this kit. The other kit that I showed you is the chemistry kit, which they could change. The experiments, they could change. But this is the starter kit. So this is basically what you need to do their experiments. Okay, so the thing that you see my daughter take out was this thing. I'm not quite sure what it is.
Oh, maybe it's like a snapper.
It is. You know, I really need the instructions. Okay. Guys, just be aware that if you do purchase a Mel kit right now, this is May of 2020. You may get it without the English instructions. Wait, sit. Okay. Oh, I think this is your cell phone holder. I do believe they have a cell phone holder, I think. Something about lens. I'm not quite sure. It says lens, guys.
Maybe
see
it's
that?
from a spider.
It says lens.
Mommy, it's a camera.
I don't really know. Again, I'm sorry. This is like probably the worst unboxing you guys ever had. But anyways, oh, there you go. So the top comes off and you have like kind of like that going on.
Mommy.
So that's, I'm talking. You guys need to wait. So there's a protective for it. And for this one, I guess this is a smaller lens. So if you need to use a smaller lens, I guess that's where that comes in. I'm not sure where it goes, so I'm just going to snap it in between here to keep it together. Okay. Next, we have a little funnel to pour things in. Okay.
Yeah, I actually.
So this is what you need, the basics that you're going to need for all of their kits, really. So they've given us 3 of these.
What are they?
So they each have different holes.
Okay.
They each have different holes.
I think
So they're rubber. They're like a rubber feeling thingy.
don't touch.
Okay. The rubber feeling stuff. Next we have this. Again, I don't know. It looks like a stand. Hold on. There's instructions. Well, pictures anyways.
No, it's for painting.
Oh. Okay, well it doesn't just open easily. Okay, so something like that.
Maybe it's like a bed toy.
So I'm not sure what it's for, but it shows
For
pictures.
Dolly.
So I'm not quite sure, but you know, when we do our first experiment, we'll see how all of this comes through. And we do science every day, so you guys definitely watch out. I'll show you guys our morning, our routine. We'll show you our homeschool routine.
Science.
We got goggles, guys. We got goggles, but the only thing is I have a family of 7 of us, and we only got 2 goggles.
Not 7 of us.
There's 7 of us.
You said 5 of us.
I have 5 kids. There's 2 adults, 5 kids.
Mommy,
Okay. Ooh, yo, I feel like I'm like looking fly. Yeah.
It's such a full science.
Yeah, these are glasses for science. Let me see, yeah? Let's see them on. Oops. You gotta put it on yourself. I can't see what I'm doing.
Mommy?
Ooh, we rocking, we rolling, we looking so sweet. We doing the thing. Don't you know we're so neat? Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. I like these glasses. They're so nice and clean.
Mommy,
I like them. Okay. You could try it on, sure. Ooh, I like.
I really want to take this iPad, but I don't own it.
Okay, maybe you could get it, keep it when you get older. There's one more thing in the package, guys, and then the package is empty.
Ooh, science!
So again, we have another
like
funnel.
Like these are like this is a thing what holds a bottle, and then like you like hold something and like you put it somewhere, like something in it, and then like it'll go inside the bottle.
Like yes.
Mommy, like a
yes.
tomato. It's a potion.
Yes, like a potion. Exactly, like a potion. So here you go, guys. We got our glass container where we could set things on fire. Just joking. But we got a glass container and we got our little funnel that, yes, we can do whatever they want us to do. So it's an exciting kit to get. Overall, it is an exciting kit to get. Now, $44.90 for a kit plus a chemistry, 2 chemistry experiments is not a bad deal. The COD I wasn't happy about at all.
You use it for the potion that's in our eye.
Okay, yes. We could definitely use it to stop the potion from getting in our eyes. So the COD I wasn't happy about, but we'll see how it goes going forward. I'm assuming if I have a COD now, I'm going to always have a COD. But because the packages will be smaller, I'm assuming, because I won't be getting the starter kit, maybe the COD will be less. I don't know. I'm not quite sure.
Mommy, she's touching.
It's okay. So that's what you guys get in the kit.
But hold on.
We're really excited because, like I said, I do science with them every single day. So this will definitely help give us experiments to do. So far, we've worked on, what do you call it? Pressure, water pressure. What else did we work on? Color.
Yeah.
Color stuff.
Like we worked on puffy paint.
No, that's art. We did that for art. But yeah, so our science has been really good. We did a lot of water experiments right now.
Also, this one for art.
And I found the water experiments from, can I talk? I can't see. I found the water experiments from different sites, from YouTube, but also I went on to madsciencepromo.com, I think it is. I'll put the link down in the description box if you guys are interested in trying to find some science stuff to do with your kids. But as I show you guys our homeschool routine and stuff, you guys will see all of that stuff.
Hold on. But you guys, wait, hold on. Like if you have like water and you have like different colors and you pour it in in this bottle, some white smoke will come out.
Sometimes, depending on what you do. So anyways, that was our Mel chemistry set. They do have one for kids, but unfortunately, like for the younger ones that I have, hold on, but unfortunately, they don't sell it to Canadians yet. It's not coming to Canada yet. So I went with the chemistry set that is still for older ages, because I do have an older age kid, and hopefully, I'm hoping that he will come and get involved with that, because he does do science stuff with us. But and the kids can watch. We'll see. The kids can watch. And we'll get that going that way. All right. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please definitely go ahead and put it in the comments below. Actually, because there's kids in this video, you might not be able to leave comments.
Hold on.
So,
and we're making it. And we're doing typing test at school. Right?
Yes, science at school. Okay, let's get these gone. Okay, so anyways, that was basically our unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm actually very excited to start our chemistry set. I think we might do it tomorrow to start. And we'll, of course, record it for you guys. So you guys can see our very first try at doing a science experiment. And I also have another video coming. Hello, I'm talking. You're being rude. I also have another video coming, which will tell you guys about our homeschool schedule. So you guys can definitely look into that because the kids love it. And what else? I think that's about it. So just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We got lots of stuff coming for you guys, and we're really excited. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Bye.
Video.